Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Katnat Meghalaya Tourism Development Corporation kebalong katnat rekam jong ke sarkar jela ke baju pen bat kemi ban penya ki hotel ki homestay bat ki wei de ki kam chung kai pertai menta ka kanti ke labo ya ke thong bakan sapleno ya ke Crowborough Hotel hau benai nailor jong usnam arhajar arpho banwan ya kene la pentep do chairman jong ke MTDC ubasan bor sulai ha ka jingkran bat kinong patai kubor ha ka sautrek mentau benai no pra arja kan handai Hadian ke jing kendo ya menteri rangba ke jela u Konrad Kongkal Sangma ban IT ke kaipon terekam ke bapura ke bapentep halor ke jing pentrai bala jandap pura artan ya ke jing pentrai ya ke Crowborough Hotel ke bala sateng ban sna pendam menta lapalat live khandai snam nadu bala sedang ya ke projek hakisnam kat khandai spa propokle sheneng la ban kedau hang ni ke hotel Crowborough kedai ke jingtai ke bala thamu ban perlong kom ke 5-star hotel Banding kong ke jela Meghalaya, bad labo maunong rem ya ke hotel, nadu kisnam kat khandai spa propokle sheneng. Labo thongro ban play ke hotel haus nam kat khandai spa propopra. Handai la penjalan biang pat haus nam kat khandai spa khandai pau, kabala sakot hadu menta. Kani ke hotel ke bayang hakajaka ke bahe arpopra hajar praspa andrup khandai square feet. Kandan si spa sautali ki kamera, kantop ya ki pratali ki economy room, prapusantali ki standard room, life hoteli ki deluxe room, santali ki suits, nangta ka coffee shop ba si spa tali ki shuki, ka restaurant ba prapotali ki jakashong, ka bar ba sanpotali ki jakashong, ka discotheque, ka banquet hall, ka health club, ka bandan ru bat ki gym, steam, sauna bat massage, nolor ka jakaset kali bat kiwe-kiwe. Ya kani ka hotel la pentraining kong da ka company SA Builders House Nam kat khandai spa prapunyo. Hakamang tingka ka balabo R.100 klor tingka. Bala aipor arpopna ban pendam. Handrai ka sarkar hau benai jelleu jong kasnam kat khandai spa prapkhandai. Kala pendam no ya ka saskular bat kani ka company namar ka jimbamla ban pendap ya kani ka project. Hakapor ka balabo. Haus nam kat khandai spa khandai pulai ka sarkar kala IT no ban trai ya kani ka project sya ka company Astra Construction Limited. Haka mang tingka ka bakon R.100 klor. Bala aipor khasan benai ban pendap ya kani ka project. Henry ke sarkar kelahap ban pendam biang no ya ke seskular namar ka jimbamla ban pendam hakapor ka balabo. Na kani ke jing pendam seskular bat kini ki artli ki company ke sarkar kelasha tenjo hakini ki company hadu ayeng ka syari. Bat ke sarkar kelahap ban siu da ka jing ya penbet sabar ka yeng syari ya ke song pisa. Ka bakot iway point khandai sau klor syaka company SA Builders bat iway point lai klor syaka company Astra Construction Limited.
Bosnat kolong ba hagana ka quarantine nadu bangilaya simti. Kum chairman berki member jongka board ke batemai but MD batemai te within this quarantine strat kolong ka overall na boro ki profits jongka cooperation nila laban yo nong hadun riu kurtam te hakipor ki bumuswa ka judan ka jing yarap bisa financial assistance ngalian juga government juga cooperation normally kat kum record ke julong kubasan ulak sis dan tenre hakini ki arsenam tam government kam simla issue ya ka financial assistance in spite of that absence of that financial assistance but still ngi congratulate ya I managing director Ratristom ki bambar juga board but bro ki staff will Ratristom ngi ya sang monitor with a new thing hakaba kakalong good sign na bangila profit ko ban recruitam tikidan ki weru ki bangila fiya de besong meeting minin kini ki kabadai kini ki Crowborough Hotel ru tu kumopilatif ka de kabal la sa pending ki adon ki court case kini kita i babun ki litigation for the last more than 30 years ima de sutrat ka ba minin ngilailan meeting ban ni monitor ya ka naglang MD at his personal level rui lah ya communicate ban page ban monitor ya komputer kami but kumplate begini ki last few months ngiladon ke inspection ngiladon ke interaction but ki to company ki ba pentrekam but lai lu ka assurance ka bangile trace tam ka ba by September by next year 2020 September can hand over ya ke Koroboro Hotel. But hagaba ngilaban utilize no ya kan abdaka welfare and interest of the general public, especially the tourists kibawan Sabah. Tengin kan long ke record ko bangin sutan bahagan ka tenyor in hagan ka tenyor ka jungi hagan ka boat ka pemerintah ka jungi ka ngilaban pendap sebenarnya ka Hotel Koroboro but hagaba kita kikui deki units ki jongi ka ba hangne ngila mention ka bang ngilaban generate job avenues ya ki job aspirant ki educated and employed kumbasan spa ngila create iki jobs sekarang bagi lokal jongi ngila la pun wan sekman ka bagi nang la pan ya te kena ka jing it's a good sign what la ka de ka ISU in front of the general public of our state ya ka story about the case of the Koroboro ki galalong condemnable so no yang Koroboro yang ya apa ba dan ring electric system ban ngits kamba by next year hadin beladap te kan selo gowe ni ki hotel ki ba he tamang ne ko state jungi bahkan generate employment ke generate revenue bahkan rong kan wara ru ya ka kan respect ya state jungi te kada ka te kilanu ko je kan ka committee ka board meeting menin ba ka cooperation kan create gomba southly unit southly units by next year kemudian by next year 2020 barang ne kan gomba ngala kan dan san spa ki job opportunities na mga local gitu katenior ke cungi barkam tam hadin bai ba Sri Lilawan kuma mding ilaw ngere yo operation regular ni kayute ngala benar so many leakages lagu ngi bela weng no gitu kum tum but kibabun haka poringi i baki balong mu lesi kejing lut yaki bai plida haki por muswa kajon hadu bela jen sikur tengah bai plida su ki hayar na pogo hati nasa tengi hang ne ki plida jo ki lokal ki babun ki balong kompeten tengi aweng no haka por di gataro de gawe layarap ban kortil ya expenditure haka por ni weng no ibu do lokal barka lokal ban ka pemeli u kalau bomen soal si ke bakibu long sis pa dengka bomen dalong tengar ho dengka ya kan ner bade ka kawin na ki bengila la ban pun lagi cundut pergi ki de ki bubun ki details ko pila ong lebih kuat je deh king kila dan hang lagi bengila men cun ka progress support kila ko pi api kayu la ban ki le baklam ke iba ki le am chat ki la ban re ka por dungi tengi i bakilong kini ki illegal advice ala sulaya kalau unnecessary why should you pay such a big amount of money and moreover you have to come all the way from Assam taking don kini ki local jon ki bolong art park ki bolong ko more expensive than you in a rate ka balong lu hang taru kala kawin ki mat ki ba kala lala berkorti le expenses at the meantime pelajar rate employment you local plidar ki jon lo ya tu.
So it has been making profit. So generally MTDC, we all submit the annual reports to the assembly, it's placed every year. So you'll see that over the years it's been doing well, and especially last few years it has been making profit also. So I can't comment on the other corporations. That is not under my mandate, and this briefing is not to comment on other corporations. But MTDC as a unit is in the hospitality business. Tourism has been doing well. So therefore, MTDC as a corporation also has been doing well.
By September 2020, we have the Honorable Chief Minister is going to inaugurate the Koroboro.
From the field. We are going to give a vision document for 20 years. we are going to draft a vision document for 20 years. Because MTDC has a potential, it has a potential to in the hospitality industry. Since we are in the hospitality industry, so we are going to draft a vision document wherein we are going to utilize the revenue generated from all the unit to create more unit. So we are going to draft a vision document where we are planning that we'll have 100 unit within 20 years. So this is a very important point. If you go through this performance report, So we are going to draft a vision document by next month. We are going to launch that vision document.